These are the best ways to help any small content creator. The first and most important one is watching their entire video. By watching until the end of their video, YouTube pushes out their videos depending on how many people watch until the end. Watching the video 2 or 3 times boosts it more than you know, because it tells YouTube that people liked it so much that they watched it 2 whole times. This one step helps more than you know. The second one is comments. The more comments a video gets, the more engagement it gets, and YouTube really likes this one. So, if you'd like, spam the comment section so you can help them get more views. Lastly, liking the video. By liking the video, it tells YouTube that the person watching really enjoyed watching it, especially if they've also watched until the end and left a comment or 2. Thank you so much for watching this entire video.